Welcome to the lesson on large numbers. Today, we will explore millions and learn how to understand and use these very large numbers in everyday life. A million is 1,000,000. Written as a number, 1 million is 1,000,000,000. In simpler terms, if you count 1,000 and then count 1,000 of those thousands, you get 1 million. Let's understand how a million is formed. 1,000 multiplied by 1,000 equals 1 million. You can also think of it as 10 multiplied by 100,000, which also equals 1 million. In scientific notation, we write this as 10 to the power of 6. Millions exist all around us. The world population is approximately 8 million people. In our galaxy, there are approximately 200 million stars. These examples show us how useful millions are for counting very large groups of things. Let's compare millions with other large numbers. 1,000 is much smaller than 1 million. 1 million is smaller than 1 billion. 1,000 has 3 zeros, 1 million has 6 zeros, and 1 billion has 9 zeros. Each step multiplies by 1,000. Understanding the scale helps us grasp how large these numbers really are. 1,000 is written as 10 to the power of 3, meaning 1 followed by 3 zeros. Million is written as 10 to the power of 6, meaning 1 followed by 6 zeros. Billion is written as 10 to the power of 9, meaning 1 followed by 9 zeros. Now let's practice reading millions. Here we have 5 million. When you see 5,000,000,000, you read it as 5 million. Practice saying these numbers aloud every day. The more you repeat, the more comfortable you will become with large numbers. Let's review what we learned today. First, 1 million equals 1,000,000,000. Second, we write it as 10 to the power of 6 in scientific notation. Third, millions are used to count very large groups of things. Fourth, 1,000 thousands equals 1 million. Remember these key points as you continue learning about numbers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.